Hello student, I am your Nabha ma'am and today we are going to discuss chapter 24 and the name of the chapter is volume. Okay student, what is volume? Volume is calculated for any 3D geometrical shapes. As you all know that we were already discussed about area. Okay, so it is similar to area, but area is in the case of 2D shapes, but volume when we are dealing with the 3D shapes. Let's begin this chapter. Okay, so volume is the amount of space a solid occupies. This is the easiest definition you can get for the volume. The amount of space is occupied by a solid, or you can say by a 3D solid. So volume is calculated for any 3D geometrical shapes. Okay, what is volume? Volume is the amount of space occupied by any 3D figure or 3D object. In geometry there are different shapes and sizes, as you know, like cube, cuboid, cylinder, cone and sphere, etc. Each shape has its own volume. But in the case of 2D figures like square, rectangle, triangle, we have only area, and area is what? Covered by these figures. Okay, there is no volume in that case. Why? Because for volume there is one condition, that height must be there. It must be a 3D figure. Okay, so in the case of 2D it is called area, and in the case of 3D geometrical shapes it is called volume. Okay student, now these are the some 3D shapes or 3-dimensional figures you can see, like cube, cuboid and cylinder. There is many more, cone, sphere. Okay, now the first topic is volume of a cube. Okay, volume of a cube. So amount of space which is occupied by a cube is known as volume of a cube. Okay, as you all know that cube is what? It is made up of squares. So in that case all the sides means length, breadth and its height are of equal length. So like we were dealing in area, we were writing side into side. In the same way, if you are writing the volume of a cube, you will write side into side into side. Okay, and it is a into a into a, and it is a cube, and the unit of the volume of cube is cubic unit. Okay, some examples of cube is like ice cube, dice, you all have seen. Okay, now let's move forward. So the next topic is volume of a cuboid. Cuboid is what? The volume of cuboid is the total space occupied by the cuboid in a 3-dimensional space. Okay, so in cuboid there is a different length and breadth and height is given. So you have to write the volume of cuboid is equal to length into width into height, and the unit is same, cubic unit. If all are in meter, so the volume of cube is cubic meter. Now let's discuss the unit of volume. As I told you, if edge of the cube is 1 meter, then the volume of cube is 1 meter cube or 1 cubic meter, and if it is in 1 centimeter, then 1 cubic centimeter or 1 centimeter cube. Now this is your home assignment. Find the volume of the cube whose edge is given. Volume of cuboid, you have to write the formula, volume of cube, and in the next question you have to follow or you have to find the volume of the cuboid. Okay student, I hope this chapter is clear to you. Good luck. Thank you.